Educational Management Program now presents National Education Policy on School Education. So now we will be dealing with the early childhood education, learning in the formative years. So develop curiosity. What we need to do is we have to develop the curiosity among the children. And then logical thinking and problem solving is also a must. It's necessary. So logical thinking, we have given one image over here, and then problem solving. What we need to do is identify the problem, explain information and create ideas, select the best idea, build and test the idea, and then finally evaluate the results. So these are the things we have to be very particular. So in our educational procedures. And then art, crafts and music should be given equal importance to the children, so that will enhance their capabilities and then willingness to learn more. And then relationship with nature is very important. It is being, because we need to understand the nature. Unless until we don't understand the nature, I think it is very difficult. Whatever we will be learning, it is of waste. And then color, shapes and alphabets and numbers is a must. They need to identify at the foundation stage only the colors, the shapes and then alphabets and then the language also. So that mother tongue. So that is going to enhance their knowledge skills much more. And then teamwork and collaboration is also very important. And then teamwork, unless until if you do it individually, I think the results will be less. If you do it collectively, as a team, I think your achievements will be much more, and then it will enhance your thing. And then play-based and discovery learning is also we have incorporated 3 images over here. So we need to learn a lot more with the play-based, and we need to understand discovery, questioning, and lot more. Then only we can understand in fullest possible way. And then ethics. We say so many things about is ethics. Ethics is basically integrity, principle, moral, honesty, right, fairness, responsibility, consent, choice, honor, value, and much more. And then students, we need to train them. So by reading moral stories, that is going to enhance their thinking capabilities as well. And then self-identity. We need to identify ourselves. We should be the better than among others. So that we need to identify. So that is known as self-identity, the way we feel about ourselves. So I think we should be doing much more than others. So that we have to look into. And then finally, equity, behavior and emotional development. We need to care our older generation, grandparents, and we need to be very friendly with our classmates, and then we need our attitude will be something good. Unless until teachers trains them, I think they need to understand the importance of behavior and emotional development. And then these are the things, early childhood education learning in the formative years. I think this is the complete thing. I think I have slide by slide I have explained to you. I think learning formative years. So this is going to help us. And then finally, thank you very much.